Hey guys, welcome back to Somali Korean Society YouTube channel. So today I decided to go to a museum, me and my friend. So come with us. And if you guys decided to go to South Korea, just don't go in December. It's so freezing. It's always a good idea to go to a museum when you travel to a new country so you can get used to the culture and what it was before. So here I am enjoying myself, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. It was nice looking at the history and look at the culture and everything, but it's time to go now. We came around 2 o'clock and we actually left when they were about to close. It was a fun day. Just arrived home now. And here's my two friends. They came to 81 to pick me up because that's where I lived. And we are going now to J Park's brother's coffee shop. And I didn't know the way, so they're helping me. After the coffee shop, we decided to go to fish market, and here we go. I will have to end this video now. I hope you tune in for the 3rd episode of Somali to Seoul. So yeah, make sure you comment and like and subscribe.